Mark the Spark Kagiwa, isa sa pinakaastig na players ng liga. Kakapanalo lang ng Ginebra ng championship, pero hindi siya nakukontento sa isa. Wala siyang balak na makontento sa isa. Sino bang magiging hari ng mga astig? Huwag nang bibitaw! PBA Finals dito sa ABC. Astig!
Kagiwa. It is now a 7-5 count. 2-point lead for Talk and Text. Boy, masyado mataas yung pasa ni Eric Mink. And actually, yung shot clock was reset. But Mark Kagiwa did not have any use for it. And we are tied for the first time in the championship series at 7-all.
West 3 in the league in terms of offense.
And there's a Mark Kagiwa at the baseline. Gives it inside to Eric Mink. Kagiwa with 8 seconds on the shot clock. Gets it inside. It's going to be in. It's 8 under 3 minutes remaining here in the first quarter. Mark Kagiwa! Yes! Kinaanan na siya si Taulaba. Taulaba gave a token defense.
Tao, pasok doon.
And naman tumatakbo ngayon na Barangay Ginebra. Mark Kagiwa inside. Puts it up. Oh! Hindi niya nakita si Sunday Salvacion. Nag-aabang libre doon. Labang pa rin ang 5 ang Talk and Text. Pero nasa Barangay Ginebra ang possession.
Okay, they want to make a one-on-one play here for Mark Kagiwa. And that's the foul given up.
Yes, wala.
Talk and Text because that is their game. Yung running attack nila. Up.
There's Mark Kagiwa trying to get inside. And the 3-point shot by Aris Dumaunahan hindi pumasok. 300 pesos na load. Libre. The winners will be drawn via electronic raffle as Mark Kagiwa scores underneath. Debating here in the second quarter. Pinamimigay po natin yan. 300 pesos na load. Mark Kagiwa in Koyay basketball count with a foul.
Now, inaatake na ni Mark Kagiwa ang depensa ni Gelling. No? Sabi niya siguro, sandali, papatalo ba ako dito sa rookie na to?
Alright mga kaibigan, balikan po natin itong play ng Barangay Ginebra. Nakikita natin si Mark Kagiwa. Nilalapitan ni Willie Miller. Kagiwa trying to get inside. And the handoff, the dish off to Eric Mink. And the left-handed layup. Ang example ng perfect execution ng Barangay Ginebra. Great Burlington Gira play. Nahatid sa atin ng Burlington, the official sack of the PBA. Siguro na?
Siguro na technical foul. So 2 technical free throws.
Here's Jimmy on the box. Looking at Willie Miller and Mark Kagiwa trying for a steal would be called for the foul. Si Mark Kagiwa, tinapon naman yung head. Pang-apat na yan. Pang-apat na personal foul ni Mark Kagiwa. And things not looking too good para sa Barangay Ginebra.
Si Mark Kagiwa, nagtagal na nga ng head.
Yes, tinapon niya.
Tinapon.
Oo. At that is ang ating question number 4 sa ating PBA Astig Panalo Text Promo. Anong team ang unang tatawag ng timeout sa quarter nito? Sino ang unang tatawag ng timeout dito mo sa fourth quarter?
Need to do to win. Like I said, they're a step slow. They just have to keep their heads up and focus on the game. Back to you guys.
That was a wise comment there from J.J. Huckerback, but it's not happening. It's not happening.
Well, that's the 5th personal foul of Mark Kagiwa.
Ito sinasabi natin yung mga defensive stop sa kinakailangan ng Barangay Ginebra. Mark Kagiwa wanted to attack. Pinaw naman siya ni Willie Miller.
And yung double team that Barangay Ginebra has to do every time.